Kristo ndo anekula, aneumauma.
Kai. Saidia kwa watu. Hailey.
Meeting begins.
Mama. You are hungry?
Yeah.
You are hiding. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Eve Ishauna, guys. And today it's another beautiful day. So I went with my husband to register SHA. Is it SHA?
Yes.
Yeah, we went to register SHA because of the hospital. Like, I'll be going to the hospital in about 2 to 3 days because, yeah, my days have passed way much. So, and also I had an issue. My washing machine had a small issue because, after my husband gifted me this machine, I had to, like, it helps me like washing few clothes for the children here and there. It helps to dry. But now, yesterday when I was doing laundry, it stopped working and I was so shocked. But that's why here today we have an amazing
Technician.
technician.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Okay.
Hi, my name is George. I'm the technician. I deal with the electronics, majorly televisions, washing machines, microwaves, all sorts of electronics items, household items. I deal with them. So I got a phone call from.
Some people are from school. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
What are you eating?
Is called Teacher Nancy.
Uh-huh.
And another Vivian and Teacher Arizona.
Oh, Teacher Arizal.
Yes.
Oh, you guys are eating pancakes, right?
Yes.
Are you tired?
Yes. No.
You're not tired?
Yes.
Okay. Tell people to subscribe.
Subscribe to Haley.
Hey guys. So it's another bright afternoon, and today I don't feel like I'm so overwhelmed by pregnancy, even if I'm just due. Today I woke up so happy and I'm feeling blessed. So I want to talk about, as I finish up this video, I want to talk about a God who provides for our needs. The Bible says that in, is it Philippians chapter 4 verse 19? If you know the verse, please comment down below. That our God shall supply all our needs according to his riches in glory. So if you're there and you feel like life is a bit tough, the economy is not doing justice to you, just keep on praying, trusting in God. You can find the verses in the Bible that speak about God's provision, and he's going to provide for your needs according to his riches in glory. I want to encourage that someone out there, wherever you're watching me from, whether it's in Nairobi or US or wherever you're watching me from, and my fans, I love you so much. Thank you for those who comment, who support me. I just want to say thank you so much. I don't take it for granted, and I want to tell you that you'll be blessed so much. So remember that there is a God who provides for our needs according to his riches in glory. And keep me in your prayers, guys, as I await to deliver the baby. Probably the next video, you're going to be watching me having my newborn baby. Right, Amani?
Yes.
Okay, we're just hoping by the grace of God, we're hoping that everything is going to go fine, and we thank God for that. So all I can just say is that no weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. Any tongue that raises in judgment against me, God shall refute it. This is the heritage that we have in God. So always know that no weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. And at this time, I just want to finish up this vlog. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe. And I will so much appreciate it, guys. Bye. Even today I feel like my skin is skinning. I just feel nice, guys, today. I'm not overwhelmed. When I was crying in the other video, I just want to be vulnerable with you guys. So the days I'm feeling nice, I show you. The days I'm not feeling well, I also show you, because I want you to know more about me so that you can connect with me. Yeah, let me not talk much, but thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Tell them bye.
Bye.